Hi, today in front of me OPPO Reno 8C and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. First, let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the special feed, to the additional settings. Then click here to power button and tap to press and hold the power key. And just to use voice assistant by pressing hold to the power button, we should switch power off menu to voice assistant. Now let's just check it. Let's press and hold it. And now we can see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. If you want to turn it off, you should just switch voice assistant to the power menu, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.